Look what we got in the mail, guys. We got a whole bunch of packages. So the box is broken right here, like they put something really heavy on it. And I hope the contents inside aren't damaged, because these are OEM window visors for my fastback. Parts for these cars are getting really expensive, so I decided to pick up a pair. I was able to get this for actually a really good deal. So hopefully it's not broken. Let's go check right now. Brand new, still in the package. This is where the rip in the box was. Feels like they're still in pretty good condition. Let me go ahead and take them out of the bag so you can see. Are they good? Yes. They're in good condition, guys. They did not break. I'm so stoked on this. Perfect. So let's put these away. We're gonna store these for a little bit. Once we get the car all done up, then we can throw these on, but we will not put them on right now. Should we show them what it looks like on the car?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah?
Oh yeah, it's like perfect.
Yeah.
Wow.
So it's hard to see it, but this is what it's gonna look like. Just like that. So they're OEM from Nissan. So they actually follow.
It even goes to right here.
Yeah, it follows all the way up until like this rain gutter part. Not like the other ones where you just stick it on this section right here. So that's super sick, guys. I'm so stoked on these. These are getting more expensive too. So I decided to pick up a pair, like I said. Now we can put this away to safekeeping. Woo!
We just got this package in. I was super excited about this. Shout out to Taylor from Karuma for sending this box out. We're gonna open it and see what's inside. It's a pretty big box. I wasn't expecting it to be this big.
Yeah, let's see what's in it.
Here we go. Oh, a hat.
What?
Whoa, hats. Oh, this is so cool.
Always can. I like that.
And another hat.
Sick. I like the wash on this.
I like this hat.
I like that. Always can. Yeah, you.
This is so cool. There's so much stuff in here. They literally sent us all the stickers they have.
All of the everything.
Everything. Zenki. Yellow 40s car.
That's a lot of stickers.
This is
man.
a lot of stickers.
Really?
Oh, here's Taylor's car, huh?
Yeah. Sickest LS in the game.
He really does have like the nicest LS. No way! No way. Guess what this is? I think I know what this is.
Flag?
It's a flag!
Yes, sir.
Okay. We're gonna hang this up.
I like that.
Is this another flag?
Double flags or what?
Double flagging it? Oh, I like this one too.
Oh, that was actually really sick too.
Oh.
Plate frames.
Plate
We gotta put
frames?
one on the 4Runner.
Yeah. I need a new one for my car too in the back. So I'll put one. I like this one.
Oh, wait. Here, hold on.
Yeah, just like that.
Yeah, there you go.
I called dibs on this one.
Okay, I call dibs on these ones.
Okay.
Or well, you could put one on the truck and then one on the truck.
We'll save this one for last because this is what I'm most excited about. But there's so much shirts in here.
Shout out to Karuma, man.
Oh, this is IS's? Yeah, IS's. Oh, this is cool.
Ooh, this shirt feels good, man.
It does.
Yeah,
it feels really thick.
really good.
What is this one?
Oh, that's pretty sick.
Yeah, good. She's on.
That's so sick. We're about to go on a trip too, so now we have clothes to bring.
Why were you going?
I don't know where I'm going, but we're gonna go someplace. These are all really cool.
These are so cool. I swear, this is like all of the shirts that he has on the website.
I know, we weren't even expecting this. Shout out to Taylor and the gang.
I thought he was just gonna send me my shirt.
That's a nice one.
Oh, this shirt feels super nice. Oh, this is Baxi? Yeah. Her car is super nice. Next one.
Ooh.
Daddy, I like
That
that
Daikoku?
one.
Yeah.
Oh, this is the shirt I bought. I bought this shirt
you
too.
bought that.
I actually have this shirt. We purchased this shirt from them before. That's sick. This is one of my favorite shirts from them actually too.
Oh, I have this shirt.
Yeah, she has this shirt. Cool.
Oh, okay.
Okay, last but not
Last
least.
one. Okay, Kaylee, open this one and I'll open the other one.
This one is my favorite.
Is it?
Yeah.
Do you know what's in it?
Yep.
Where's the other one?
Okay, wait for mommy.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Boom! Check this out, guys.
Oh my gosh.
Whose car is that? Whose car is this?
That's my car, Cindy.
Yeah, this is so sick, guys.
This is so cool. Oh, this shirt feels so good.
This is why I like this shirt.
This shirt feels thicker than the other shirts.
Yeah, no, that's what I mean. These shirts feel really heavyweight. Like, it's good shirts.
This is so cool. Ready? Ready?
Ready? Bam!
Ooh.
Sick! There you go. Look at that. You got your car on a t-shirt,
Does
man.
it look good? Does
It looks amazing. This isn't the first time your car's been on a collab, but
Yeah.
this is one of the favorite times, huh?
It really is though, because it's an actual picture of the car.
Yeah, that's super sick.
And then they make super cool stickers.
Which is your favorite one?
I kind of like these two. Or I also like this one because I like the car.
Yeah.
So shout out to Taylor, thank you so much. This was so unexpected doing the collab and I appreciate all the shirts that you sent. So if you guys want to go ahead and cop one of these, there's going to be a 20% off code for the entire website. It's just Christine20 and tag me in pics if you guys get something.
Wait.
Found a new one that you like?
Yeah. They sent a lot of good stickers that I like.
Wow, what shirt is that?
Oh, this shirt right here? Oh, make sure you guys head over to this link right here. Pick you guys up one and use the code Christine20 to get some discount on your order. Anyway, we're gonna be opening up my chair that I got, or my seat that I got for my S13 outside. When I bought it, it came with an S14 seat, but I'm a little bit taller, so it actually is really close to the ceiling. I need to recline it back. So I got a bucket seat that I'm gonna make custom rails for, but this is actually my first like legit bucket seat that I bought. Christine has replica brides or brids in her car, but I got a Corvo FX1 seat, so we're gonna go ahead and open it up. It's a full bucket, so it's a fixed back. Ugh. And this thing actually doesn't weigh like anything at all. I'm super stoked on this as well. We opened up a bunch of cool packages today. Somebody said that we looked stressed out in our last video, which is actually kind of true, but not really. We're really having fun, but it's a lot to deal with, especially when you are dealing with your first major swap. Anyway, today is actually a breath of fresh air. We get to just do unboxings all day, so that's super dope. Check out this bucket seat. This thing is wrapped really, really nicely. Originally, I wanted the micro suede version of this seat, but I saw a picture of somebody's one after like a few years of ownership, I guess, and the micro suede doesn't really end up aging really well. So I opted to get the regular cloth one. But look at this.
Is it that light that you can carry it like that?
Yeah.
Daddy, wait.
But I'm also really strong. So.
Daddy?
Why are you getting ready to sit in it already? Whoa.
Is it comfortable?
Yeah.
Really? Okay, my turn. My turn.
I'll hold it. I'll hold it.
Oh yes, I fit in it. I was debating on getting this one or the wide one, but honestly, the FX1 regular fits really, really good. We're probably gonna be working on Christine's car, but sooner or later we're gonna be getting this seat into the car. We gotta take off the bump stops on her lower control arms because we realized that we weren't even getting the full lock potential on the angle kit because we forgot to cut off the lower control bump stops. So one thing that we learned, or one thing that Christine learned, is that we don't prep last minute anymore, right?
Yeah, make sure you remember that for the next one.
I knew that. You want to sit in it?
Okay.
Oh, that's too big for you though.
Yeah, it feels like you just...
Yeah. No,
Wait.
like, look at your legs. It's already at the bend in your, it's past the bend in your knees.
Oh, yeah. It feels good though.
Yeah, it feels really good.
It's probably better for you than the ones that were inside my car because my car, it feels like it, the leg stuff is higher.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a little bit shallow, but
It is. Yeah, like I feel like my seats go out to here.
it's a little better though to get in and out of it.
Yeah, because it is hard to get out of my seat.
Yeah.
I think this is gonna be good for you. So that's gonna be it for today's video. It was kind of cool to do just a whole big unboxing. We had a couple of packages come in at the same time, so we thought we might as well film it. We are about to head out to a trip pretty soon. Blaine doesn't know where we're gonna go, and we're gonna surprise him for his birthday. Let us know if you guys wanted to film. It's probably not gonna be too much car related stuff, but if you guys want us to film it, we'll probably throw out a video or two. So thank you to Taylor. Again, I just wanted to give you another shout out because I really do appreciate all the things that you sent us. It was so unexpected, but I really do appreciate it. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out and stay good.